Oh, Donna. Oh, Donna. Oh, Madonna's. Wagwan. More blessings. I don't know. When me sit down right there, so I just look so chubby. I look chubby, not true? Yes. Big up on a nice, clean self, Madonna's. Enough love, enough blessings, and more prosperity. Utter love to all. Blow kisses pa uno. Yes. Cause my love no. What a blessings. Anyway, Madonna, this topic here, I just want to share something we don't know, right? When I was young, years ago, I just want to share content with you. I just want to share something with you that don't underestimate people. Treat everybody equally. And I was on Dime's live the other day, and it dawned on me to do this video, and I want to share it. Dime's live on YouTube, I was on her live, and she asked a question saying that um, if someone, you have ever taken someone for your friend, and then when you listen on the show, they said you and them are not friends. I am telling you, when she said that, I remember something. Years ago, I had this person I thought was my friend. She's very, very educated. And I was talking like, she's my only friend because I don't keep a lot of friends. So I was talking to her. I was saying she my friend because sometimes she give me good advice and I listen to her. Sometimes I used to even borrow money from her because I don't have it. And I'll borrow money from her and stuff like that. So all along I thought she was my friend. Till one day I heard she saying that nobody that is not in her class, that doesn't have education and have her level of knowledge and stuff like that, they're not her friends. Knowing that I didn't go to school and I was right there when she was talking, she making it clear that I could never be her friend. I was crushed. I was crushed when she says that. And she said it in front of the rest of her friend. But I was not friend with the rest of her friend. But she says that like she's calling me out. Don't get too close to her because she's not my friend. Guys, listen this. At that time, my circle is very small. And I don't normally have a lot of people in my circle and said, oh, this is my friend, that is my friend. No. She was the most person that I was communicating with. And when she said that, yeah, I distant myself and I feel hurt. And, you know, my husband was shocked the other day when I told him who it was. Because up to today, I still communicate with that person and I still take her as a friend. I do. Because that's who I am. I don't just drop people because they said something. I see good in her, so I still hold her as my friend. And, you know, a lot of people would never do that. They would never do that. But I'm just saying, just don't quick to judge people. Don't quick to. And I look on that person right now, and even though that person have that qualification and that, you know, big jobs and everything, they don't accomplish what I have accomplished in my life. They have not reached that level. of accomplishment. So it's not what you have. Don't judge people. Judge people from their heart. Don't judge people because you feel like, okay, they're not up to standard with you. But the kind of heart that I have, I am way above what you have right now. Because why? I'm pure and I'm not judging anyone. Even the person that is on the street, I am not judging them. So at the end of the day, just keep your heart pure. Just keep your heart clean. Of course, you're not perfect and things are going to happen in your life and people get you bitter, but don't dwell on it forever. Like let it go and move on. And if you don't have to communicate with that person, you don't have to. But what you can do is just make sure your heart is clean because God search your heart every day. So you have to let things go. You can't get up every day and hold grudges to it. Yes, if you have it up for 1, 2, 3 days, but is it that you're going to have it up for a whole year? Because I did not remember about that until when Dimes has asked in the comment section. It comes right back to me. But yes, when I was younger, I used to hold things inside of me and said, oh, that really hurts, blah, blah, blah. And I wouldn't let it go. I'm not like that anymore. No, I will forget it. Sometimes I do forget it. But when somebody refresh my brain, I will remember the story, but I don't hold on to it. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Don't judge a book by cover. Get to know people inside. And not because people are not in your category doesn't mean that you should sweep them under the rug and let them belittle them and make them feel like they're less than. Because it's here. Financially, mentally, emotionally, looks and everything, I would say I am in a better position than that person today. Yes. And not because of that. I'm not trying to like belittle them or anything like that, but they belittle me. And I'm just saying that don't judge people because you don't know what's going to happen later. I have grown past that. I have educated myself. I have done things for myself that they haven't done for themselves. And I have put myself into a position where I am able to do things for myself. So don't judge people, okay? Don't you dare judge people because you just never know what your children are going to go through. And when you put down people, yes, it will fall on you and your children. Take my foolish advice. That's it. Anyway, guys, big up on a nice clean self and don't forget to like the video. Adios, queens. Adios.